Can you believe it? Your stomach is secretly causing trouble every day. That rumbling feeling? That's your empty stomach at work. Muscles contract, nerves send signals, and your brain shouts, time to eat. Eat too fast and swallow air? Your stomach can't hold it all, so it comes back out as a burp. Even when empty, digestive juices keep moving, churning and gurgling, actually urging you to eat. Ever notice that growling sound in class or at home? That's your stomach reminding you it's hungry. Eat slowly. Don't gulp air. Feed your stomach on time. Understanding it is the first step to taking care of yourself. Hear your stomach rumbling? Watch again and notice how it talks to you every day. Hit subscribe for more amazing facts about your body.